Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, it's not a workout. I know I'm stepping out of my comfort zone today, and I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm probably like 5,000 years behind what this product is, but I'm so excited for it. I've been wanting something like it for a while, and I finally got it. I don't know what it looks like. The color is a surprise, so everything's a surprise. I just know what it is. But yeah, I will tell you what it is. It's a Fitbit. I think it's like, I don't know. I'll tell you what it's called when I open it. I forgot which one it's called, but it's like one of the better ones. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna use it for my workouts and everything. I kind of want to incorporate in my videos like exactly how many calories my workouts will burn and everything. So that's why I'm really excited to work out with this, so I can include all that good information. Yeah, so I'm doing an unboxing. I'm like stepping way out of my comfort zone, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, wish me luck. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna do my workout because I actually haven't worked out today. It's gonna be some sort of upper body workout, and then I will kind of come back on and explain to you like, oh, what did it do, and blah blah blah, if it worked, and how many calories I just burned from working out at home. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Okay, and also yes, I do somewhere over here, I do have a scratch on my face. I'm aware of that, no need to point it out. Yeah, I scratched myself and I cannot cover it up, so everyone say hi to my little scratch right here. And yes, my hair is crazy, but this is just all natural. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Like I said. Okay. So, came from Amazon. I love how Amazon like doesn't really tape their boxes. They kind of just put like, they just make it easy to open. So like if you're in the car and like you're super excited for something, you just like will rip it open. Okay. Oh, it's a little screen protector it came with. That's cool. I didn't even know it was glass. Knowing me, I would drop it. Oops. Charging stand. But oh, it's the color. It's the Fitbit. Why do I keep saying Fitbit? Fitbit Ionic. Look at that color though. That's the color that I wanted. So yeah, here it is. Like I said, I'm probably like a million years behind on this, but it's okay. Like, I'm behind on everything. I'm behind on unboxing videos, on Fitbits, on basically everything, but it's okay. I'm learning. So thank you guys. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. I guess it like comes with like a whole bunch of workouts. So in some of the videos, maybe I'll like do the Fitbit created workouts and tell you guys on that. Ooh, fancy. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is literally the color that I wanted. It's so nice. Like, you know, it smells like not rubber, it just smells like, I don't know, it has a smell to it. You want to smell? I don't even know what to do. Should I read the instructions? I don't know. Maybe I'll just turn it on. Turn it on now. Oh, I turned it on, I think. Bonjour. There's another band. I'm assuming this is, oh, this is a small one, so I'll probably have to put the small band on anyway. Yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna mess around with this. I'm gonna do my upper body workout after I set it up, like officially set it up, and then I will come back and let you guys know how many calories I burned and what it is. Oh, look at that tricep! Shout out to all my fit girls out there. Shout out to all my fit people out there. Shout out to Fitbit out there. But yeah, so I'm gonna set this up and then work out with it, and hopefully I don't burn. Like, what if like I'm surprised and like my workouts only burn like 100 calories? No, I don't care about how many calories I burn. I just want these gains. So after my workout, I will see you guys in probably like an hour. Cause upper body, I don't take that. As you can tell, like I'm kind of a little bit. Like, got a little tricep, but yeah, my upper body needs work. So yeah, I will see you after my upper body workout. Hi guys, so I just got done working out with the Fitbit, but it's a new day. Obviously, you can tell I had a lot of technical difficulties the first day. It had to like update before I used it, and the update took so long. So. But yeah, after that, it's great. It's amazing. I actually didn't get to work out yesterday. I took a day off. I know. But today I worked out with it for the first time. And today is Sunday. So usually Sunday's like my off day. So I just did, literally, I just used like my ankle weights. Just went downstairs, did a quick little workout. I think I was like active for like 21 minutes, and I burned 157 calories, it told me. Oops, I don't know if it actually like saves on the watch or if it's more so on the app, because like there's an app that you can hook up that either hooks up to your iPad, an Android device, any like iOS device, so it could be a phone too. I'm trying to see though, I should have seen this before I started filming, but I don't know if it actually kept track of it on here or if I had to go directly to I don't know, but it's really cool. If you like can see, there's like a whole bunch of different apps. Like you can put Pandora, Starbucks. It's like really cool in my opinion. I've never had like an Apple Watch, but I have friends and stuff who have them. And to me, this is obviously more so about fitness. Like it tells you your heart rate. It gives you reminders of, you know, this hour you still have 200 more steps to do, blah, blah, blah. It's really cool. So yeah, I really like this product. I'm definitely looking forward to do like a real legit like leg day or upper body day or HIIT day with it and see how many calories I'm burning. Like I personally don't care about calories, but I know a lot of people like to, you know, burn a ton of calories when they're working out. So it'd be cool to really like see how many I can burn just working out at home with, you know, just dumbbells or, I mean, 160 calories with just ankle weights for 20 minutes. Like that's really, you know, good. And my heart rate wasn't even super duper high because like I said, it was just, I wasn't lifting heavy. I wasn't doing any kind of HIIT. So yeah, it was really good. So I'm excited to do another workout and let you guys know, you know, exactly more detailed stats and everything. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see or workouts. Love you guys.